गाइस अब हम रेडी हो गए हैं और दिस इज़ द आउटफिट ऑफ द डे एंड दिस इज़ द आउटफिट ऑफ आवर। अब जाके शुरू हम पहुंच गए अपनी डेस्टिनेशन एंड दैट इज़ ज़ू। तो हम लखनऊ के ज़ू घूमने आए हैं।
We have already also purchased one ticket, and per person it is 100 rupees. Right? If you are above 11-year-old, you have to pay 100 rupees.
And if you are bringing your camera with you, you have to pay extra 100 rupees for your personal digital camera, not your mobile camera, for the digital camera. And now we will show you how from inside it look.
इसे फाड़ के लिया अंकल।
भैया फटता है भाई।
प्रूफ कैसे रह जाएगा फिर?
तो अब हमें बैंड बना दिया गया है। सो शो योर बैंड, शो योर बैंड। ये हमें बना दिया गया है। नाउ दिस इज द एंट्रेंस। Oh, how beautiful it is, na? So much of greenery.
They have maintained.
The first animal we saw is a giraffe. Oh, it looked like a dummy. Oh.
With a long neck.
Yes.
और क्या, इसी में ढेर सारा फिश।
But it is just for do not come outside.
Yes, he's very aggressive. See?
You want to jump?
Deer. Deer.
Deer.
And here is a bear.
And here is a deer.
So till now we have seen so
जहाँ भी रहता है शेर ही होता है। वाह, और a thought it is written there.
okay, read it.
पिंजड़े में भी आकर कमजोर नहीं होता है, दोस्त शेर जहाँ भी रहे शेर ही होता है। वाह।
Wow. So now we till now we have seen so many
Okay,
bird
see.
species.
One is sleeping there inside the dam.
Okay, huh.
The size of the
It is quite
island
huge.
is huge.
So
So large.
we have seen. Okay, we are giving the feedback till now. We have only covered some area. I think some area.
Only I think only 10% of the zoo, and we are liking it so much, right? We have seen a varieties of animals and birds.
Birds. Huh?
And-
There were so many migrated birds that even in the books I have not heard about that, but there were so many.
So basically, the animals and the birds that we have seen till now are someone we have only heard or might have seen them in the geography, national geography
Some
or
of the
Discovery
birds I
channels.
haven't seen also in
For
the
the first
books.
time, we have seen them
That.
by our eyes. They are so much close to us.
Size of the bird. In fact, we are seeing the small size or this much, but the size of the big was up to my height also. I think this much.
And see the size
And
of
here
the
is one tiger that is sleeping inside.
dam.
So basically this zoo does not have only animals, they have the aquatic life also. So whole aquarium is filled, there is a whole aquarium and so many fishes are here.
See, this is very unique.
Oh,
Save of the city. alligator
This is a fish alligator god. Oh, so big in size.
Metal working process. They are engraving something on the metal, right? Like the way the goldsmith do in our India. This is a way of Egyptians.
Doing the metal working
Metal
process.
work. Different metals.
So this is a museum telling everything about the ancient time, and this is a pyramid. This is a pyramid, and we are inside seeing all the things. And here is something, the symbol. I don't know actually what it is, but there's a thing and something. Okay, see here, the nose is broken.
But it hasn't broken my people.
We don't know, but it has been. So are you enjoying?
Yes, a lot. So far so good.
So day 2 is going very good so well. Now these are some of the signs. Okay, signs. There's a script written, something. The one thing I like about this is we don't have to go to Egypt to see this pyramid. In Lucknow we are able to see the Egypt.
Okay, so few minutes back we are inside the State Museum Lucknow, and we have covered only the ground floor. Rest of the floor we will cover next time, might be with the complete family. So this time we want to cover only the zoo part where we
And-
see the animals and the birds. And next time whenever we will come, we will then visit all the remaining floors of the State Museum Lucknow.
And if you are coming to Lucknow Zoo, try to visit the museum. It's very beautiful, and the pieces of ancient, they are very good, interesting. So these are all the things which you can see, check out. So we haven't, but you must.
Okay, and one more thing is there, and the condition of the Egyptian architect, whatever it was there, it all are in good conditions.
Yes.
So basically you will get to know little bit about them also. Okay, bye.
So now we have visited. Now हम घूम के आ चुके हैं. Now we are heading towards the home. So अब हम कुछ refreshment करेंगे. As there is a popular place, my sister has told. So we are trying to visit there. So आज के लिए इतना ही, because we have almost covered the whole park. मतलब the park was of around 4.3 kilometers. So we have traveled. Now we are heading towards the home. So bye bye.